My dear viewers, now difference between charcoal and gas carbon. First point, charcoal is formed when organic substance like wood, bone and sugar are objected to high temperatures under absence of air via destructive distillation. Okay, but gas carbon is prepared by destructive distillation of coal or by heating hydrocarbons in a closed container under high temperature. Okay. Second point, that is charcoal. It is a black and soft solid, but gas carbon it is grassy in color. Third point, charcoal is considered to be a bad conductor of heat and electricity, but gas carbon that is it is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Okay, next point, that is the last point, point number 4. It is that is charcoal is highly porous, having good absorbing property. It is thus used as a decolorized agent and in purification of water. But gas carbon that is it is used in manufacture of electrodes and as arc carbon rod in arc lamp because of its conductive property. Okay, thank you my dear viewers, thank you students.